Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Cloud CTF tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be covering how to make a few customizations to the CTF environment. So first, we're going to head on over to the Admins tab on the top here. And where it's going to take us is the Settings page first. This is where all of the customizations are going to happen. The first thing we can customize is the competition name. We can change this to something a little bit more unique if we'd like. Next, we have the time frame for the CTF environment. We can choose when it starts and when it ends. So let's say maybe we want to get our CTF environment set up to open, maybe 2 or 3 days after we start it. We can change that start at date to be whatever we'd like it to be. And just as another example here, let's say instead of ending on June 15th, I wanted the Cloud CTF to end on June 30th. The way to do that would be to click on the current date for End At, and we're going to select the date on the date picker that comes up. So in this case, June 30th. And we can also choose the time. In this case, it's set to midnight on June 30th, which seems like a good time, so we'll go ahead and confirm that. So we can see that our competition is now set to end on June 30th instead of June 15th. One more customization that we wanted to show you today is being able to change the theme. So near the bottom here, we see that there's a drop-down box for theme. Currently it's set to default, but there are a couple of different options, and we do occasionally release more themes depending on the season or holiday or things like that. But for an example real quick, we're going to show you the Halloween theme. When we confirm that, we see that we're prompted to reload the page because we have a new theme, so we can go ahead and do that. And there we go. We now have the Halloween theme enabled, and as you can see, our Cloud CTF looks completely different. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if you had any other topics you wanted to learn about in terms of the Cloud CTF environment, feel free to check out some of the other videos in this playlist.